Do you want to grow your channel without uploading any of the videos for a long time? Then you have clicked the right video, as I am going to reveal the secret of growing your channel without wasting your precious time. Before starting this video, let me tell you that 3 months back, I had informed you that I will take a small break from this channel as I was concentrating on my first channel. Now, I am not going to reveal what exactly I did in these 100 days. But yes, I spent my entire energy on my first channel. But before leaving this channel, I had plans for this channel as I executed it, and it also became successful. Before leaving this channel, I had around 431 subscribers, and now I am near to 700 subscribers. Around these 3 months, almost 250 people have subscribed to my channel, and believe me, I have not uploaded even one single video in this period of time. Now, a question definitely arises. How is it possible? Actually, to be honest, these 3 months were the channel's peak time. I just used one simple strategy that made my channel boost like a rocket without uploading the videos. So, what is that one secret strategy which made me bring thousands of views? What all steps did I follow to bring these numbers of subscribers without uploading the video? Welcome back to the channel after more than 100 days. Now, coming back to our main topic, in these 100 days, I have not uploaded any single video. Even though I have not uploaded any of the videos as mentioned, I have got around 250 plus subscribers and around 15,000 views. And this has helped me a lot in these 3 months to get my initial boost. And guys, the numbers which I am mentioning might be small, but don't underestimate the power of small creators, because I believe in my content and in my editing skills. 15,000 views and 250 subscribers might be small numbers for huge creators, but small creators, and especially struggling creators, will know the values of these numbers initially. This trick works for all creators. Before leaving this channel for 3 months, the first thing that came to my mind was after 3 months, the channel will be completely dead. But one thing that I was sure about, before taking a break, I wanted to make some unique videos which can give me a boost for a long time. I researched a lot, and finally I concluded my research with evergreen videos. I have been telling you the power of evergreen videos for a long time, and today, the evergreen videos have worked for me to give my channel the initial boost. I will show you the live results in the next few minutes. But before that, let me explain to you how exactly these evergreen videos work. Evergreen videos are those videos which will not get old. For example, how to reduce weight within a month, how to edit videos like a pro, how to concentrate on studies, and also how to grow your YouTube channel. These all topics lie under evergreen videos. Even if you search these topics after 10 years, the process will be the same. So, these kinds of videos have more possibility of taking off your channel to another level consistently over a long period of time. So I decided to upload some of the best evergreen videos before taking the break from this channel. You can see that I uploaded topics related to editing. I uploaded 2 videos which were related to editing skills. I wanted to upload them more, but unfortunately it didn't happen at that time. I could manage only 2 videos to upload. After uploading these 2 videos, I was sure that any one of the videos will definitely take off and bring me views and subscribers. As for my expectations, this video took off. I uploaded this video on January 29th, and I took a break from February 29th. The video started taking off after 1 week, and around these 100 days, this video has potentially gained 15,000 views, providing the boost for my channel with 250 plus subscriber gain. So guys, all I need to say is that if you want to take a break, or if you can't upload the videos regularly due to many reasons, then try uploading the evergreen videos, which will help you in the long term. For the first 10 to 20 days, the video will perform average, but after some time, the video will definitely take off. But now I can't tell you exactly what point of time the video can take off, but it may take a few days, a few weeks, and also a few months in some cases. As it's an evergreen video, we can't predict its growth. For these kinds of videos, you need to do SEO properly, because if it's ranked in #1 position on YouTube search, then your video will recommend at the top of the page when anybody searches your video topic. If you don't know more about SEO, then you can check the link in the description. And if you are curious to know what's really in this video that brought 15,000 views, then you can check it out once. And further, if you are liking my unique contents, then please do subscribe to the channel and support me for more such interesting contents. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.